Hello guys, welcome to this CasperJS monitoring section. Actually, in this I'm just going to give a heads up about how you can monitor your service. Basically, for administrators, there will be repetitive tasks like every time they do a new deployment in their environments. Maybe they have environments like development, QA, testing, end-to-end performance. There will be so many environments available. So after every deployment, they want to verify the health state of servers and the health state of deployments. Okay, so what they normally do is I already started up my local server, local Weblogic server for this demo purpose. So it's just running in this 192.168.56.1 and 7001 port. So I'm just going to access it through my browser now. So this is my local host and 7001 console. So what we generally do is we will just log in to the console, administration console. After every deployment, we'll just go to the server section and we will verify whether the server health is running and the health is okay. And I'll just go to deployment section, whether this application is in active state and it isn't okay. And so if it seems to be fine, then that's okay. But sometimes what happens is we will not trigger the build manually. Every time this will happen automatically through continuous integration server Hudson. So after every deployment, we may not be there in the place to monitor this health. So what we want to do is we want this server health and application health to be mailed, a snapshot of this particular page to be mailed to the respective administrators and stakeholders. So that's what our ultimate aim is, right? So instead of every time going to console, based on the environment which we choose, we want the snapshot to be shared to the stakeholders. So that's the thing that we are going to see in this particular session. Okay, this is going to be really interesting. When I tried it personally for the very first time, this was really amazing. So I just want to share it with you so that you can also make use of the features which is available through JavaScript and CasperJS. Okay, so in order to do this, first you need to download CasperJS, which is a navigation scripting tool which are built on top of Phantom.js. If you have npm of Node, then you can download it straight away to your machine. So just verify whether you have npm exist in your system. Okay, that's good. So I have already installed the CasperJS. So I already have this 1.10 beta version of CasperJS available. And for starting, you can refer some simple steps about it. Quick start section, you can go to the quick start section, and just like any other node programs, just import the library using the required and you have to create it, and after that you have to just start it using this URL. But in this section what we are going to do is we're just going to see how to access this particular, instead of this URL we are just going to use the Weblogic localhost URL. Okay, I already written a program on it. I'm just going to explain on what it is. Okay, so before proceeding, first you need to import the Casper, and you have to create the list of settings. Like you can debug the steps using this log level. You can change it if it is not an editor. You can change it to error mode, and you can specify the user agent, and you can specify the viewport that need to be captured. Okay, and I'm just going to pass all this IP address, username, and password as a command line argument. So just time for the usage purposes. So once I set it, I'm going to get it through this IP, username, and password. After that, there is an element called fill selectors in this CasperJS, using which you need to get to apply the parameters. Okay, the thing is, first just log out. I'm just opening the developer console to show you the ID of it. So I'm just going to maximize it. So first here you get the login form ID. So this is login data is the form ID. So I'm just going to apply that login data as the form ID over here, and this is this to text field which we have been using. So just hover over on this and get the ID of it, and similarly get the password, get the ID of it, and that's the same way get the login ID as well. Okay, so the login ID is submit. No, I don't think it's needed for fill selectors. This is going to be applied automatically. Okay, so if you specify true, then this will submit the request. If it specifies false, then I think this will not submit the request. So this is how we need to pass the username password to this particular form. Once I done that, what I want to do is I want to navigate to the specific. By default, if you are going to log into this you will get a home screen. Just note this page label over there. This is home page 1, but I don't want to go to the home page. I want to go to this deployment section to monitor the deployments. So you can get the ID of it. You just click on this ID, deployments, and you will get the ID. And we want to get the ID of the service as well. So the ID of it is link core servers table page. So link core servers table page, and for deployments, so we already seen earlier, just hover over on this again and get ID. So this is the ID, right? Link app deployment controls page. So once you log in, just click on this and take a snapshot. Again, click on this ID and take a snapshot. That's what I done now. Okay, this is going to add some more things inside it, but as of now I'm just going to capture only the health state of servers and health state of application. So we're done with everything. Just give Casper Weblogic CasperJS space the program name, and as a command line argument just give the IP, username, and the password. Okay, once you give enter, So that's it. So as it is already in debug mode, you can troubleshoot it further. Started, and after that we mentioned it to go for this login page. We specify this in our logging in, that log section over here in debug mode. And we have applied this J username, J password, and this particular form ID. After that, it's login. You can able to see that. So we successfully log into the home page. And after that, it's doing a mouse down and mouse up on this particular link. Previously, we've seen in this login itself, it have done that. And similarly, we get initially the deployment control page. After that, we got a mouse down and mouse up on this server's health as well. So it taken a snapshot of it. Once it's done with the deployment health, similarly it got server health. So what happened behind the scenes is, previously if we see in DAX.js, it will open a real browser and it will perform all the activities in our system. But whereas here in CasperJS, it defaultly use Phantom.js browser. It's not a real browser. So this is a headless browser, and it will open up the browser over there, and it will take a snapshot. Now we can verify the deployment and server health over here. So if you see, this is our domain, you can cross check it. So this is our domain, and this taking a snapshot of the admin, server health, and the deployment health. So this is cool, right? You can now attach this image to your email, and you can forward to the list of stakeholders. So that's how it's easy. For example, we can add 2 more things to this. What I want to do is, I just want to do data source settings, or even we can go for what else we can monitor this. I think it's better we can monitor this data source section. So I taken the ID, and we are just going to add the send function over here. Click. So there is an ID, right? So just mention hashtag and the ID of it. Before that, as I already asked it to exit, you can include it after some time. Now, but there is no need. I think there is no need to include this external capture. I think we can include it here itself. Okay, capture. Data sources.png. Okay, so that's it, and just don't forget to do an exit. It always good. Okay, so that's it. Now we will delete the screenshots and we will retry it. Okay, so now just monitor the steps. So you come to this link, I taken the snapshot and stored in data source.png. Just verify it now. No, it saved only the admin servers captures link. just to verify it. So I think this you need to mention this again in an external capture function only. Just we will try it again that. Already got it, just I'm copying it again. Try to run it again. So now it's captured it correctly. So this is how you need to navigate across different links using CasperJS in Weblogic. You can apply the same to whatever you want. Maybe if you are a Glassfish administrator, or if you are a VAS administrator, you can apply it anywhere in your environment, because it may reduce some of the repetitive tasks that I have been doing for a while. I hope this helps you, and I will upload all this to my Gist account and my GitHub. You can download it from there if you're really interested in trying things. Okay, this is my GitHub account. Okay, so we can try. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next session. Bye.